Chapter 14: Automated Management Approach. The computer. Why do we always have to connect computers to our management approach? Why? Because today we no longer live in the stone era. We're now in the computer stage, and the technological advancement help us become our lives better. This is what Dr. Mervyn L. Fishbach, the president and founder of International Education Placement Program, says. Filipino students seeking enrollment abroad must take up computer systems as a sure passport to a durable future. Why do we always say that computer system is a sure passport to a durable future? Because as time goes by, our technology gets better. And if you have the abilities, you have the knowledge, the skills, of course, you will have a better future, a brighter future. Fishbach said that he expected to place 100 Filipinos in a quota of 300 Asians for enrollment in 22 universities and colleges in the United States and Europe. Coping with changing demands. You've worked hard, you've worked very, very hard to have this business, and in order for you to continue this business, you have very difficult job to do so, because with the changing demands, it is not enough to just do it by yourself, do it on your own. You have to have these computers in order to help you continue your business. The computer understand your needs. Quarter of a century of sustained profits, any computer knows with over a first hand what growth is all about. The computer offers unique solutions to business problems like your and staying on the leading edge of the technology. Just like, for example, when you are going to book for a hotel, you know, visitors, I mean customers, no longer need to go to have walk-in reservation to a hotel, because they are already using systems, computer systems, to cater their needs. One of the many benefits of computer is that it can improve your customer service. It will be able to provide your customers with faster turnaround on your request. Second, it improves cash flow. Your invoices can be printed directly from the computer, so you can have them and mail the same. Accounts receivables will come in faster, significantly will help you improve customer service and maintain your competitive edge. Since it will improve cash flow, most likely it will also increase productivity. The computer's ability to use the same information for many purposes can improve accuracy and increase productivity in your business. Customer files stored on a computer can serve as mailing lists or be used in such routine accounting functions as payroll, accounts payable, and general ledger. Once the information is entered, you can use it repeatedly each time with complete accuracy. Moreover, the computer keeps pace with your growth. As your sales rise or product lines changes, you'll need a computer that can measure up to increased demands to handle orders, inventory, production, and accounting functions. The with a small system, then add equipment faster to match your computer measures up. Built-in expandability lets you begin growing requirements, or you can expand your own system to a larger one, transferring your programs to other systems without time-consuming and costly revisions. Your initial investment always remains protected. Like for example, kung mabaling ka og mga gamit, mga tangible things from one office to another, it is costly, it will take too much time and effort, but unlike when you have to transfer files from one computer to another, it is less costly, and of course you will have less burden. Adding to it, the computers are approachable. When you say approachable, the computers are extremely easy to learn, and your employees won't have to study complex manuals or undergo extensive training. Because nowadays, even a 3-year-old child would know how to operate a cell phone. Therefore, young men or young adult would know how to operate a computer easily. Now, we will know what is ADMS, or what we call the Computer Advanced Data Management System. ADMS makes it possible for you to effectively and efficiently organize and control your data files, facilitate the sharing of data and programs, and provide system protection in the event of hardware or software failures. With ADMS, Your organization will benefit from advanced features, including the centralized data definitions that reduce program maintenance, automatic coordination of multiple updates to shared data files, protection of data at the field record and file levels, full file recovery and program restart facilities, complete flexibility to create and modify data definitions and access paths in meeting new data processing needs, automatic reorganization of data files when data definitions are modified, easy COBOL programming using an extensive array of computer program development tools with support to be provided for assembler and selected high-level languages, compatibility with the computer's operating system and file management utilities. Order processing. Order processing begins with interactive verification of customer numbers and displaying customer names and credit status. From a single entry, the system automatically generates picking tickets, updates inventory, credits the proper salesperson, produces an invoice, and logs back orders when necessary. All automatic functions may be overridden by the operators, delivering individual control whenever required. The inventory control. From a single order entry, all affected inventory items are automatically updated. Typical inventory file information includes part number, description product category, unit cost, three selling prices, taxable status, reorder levels, and picking sequences. The system also performs automatic calculation of average unit cost, quantity on hand, and quantities committed to orders. Adjustments, cancellations, or order changes also updated the entire system for the greatest possible accuracy. The billing. The billing can be performed automatically on selected accounts or individually according to the requirements. The system allows you to override prices, assign discount percentages, or add shipping charges, commission amounts, and miscellaneous charges for complete billing control. The interactive data entry. Because the computer is completely interactive, customers are validated as soon as data is entered, not hours or days later as the case with batch-oriented systems. This means that corrections and adjustments are made on the spot, keeping your records accurate and timely. Aging of receivables. The knowing the age of the receivables is the first step toward improved collections. Your daily sales outstanding, or what we call DSO, can be reduced with reporting such as the age trial balance and age totals provided on statements. The system allows you to determine the number of days in each category, and you may specify either due date or invoices date as the basis for aging. Finance charges. The finance charges for those customers you desire in addition to speeding collections. This feature can have a surprising impact on increased revenue. The computer automatically calculate, select, may be updated immediately prior to calculations. Account inquiry. The annual percentage rates and limits you record to the screen, like videos, immediately for review of credit lines. YTD amounts or any information you maintain on your customers. You can improve communications with your customers. The computer permits you to call any while minimizing your credit risk exposure. Calculations. Earnings are the basis of any payroll systems that the computer provides the versatility you need to do the job your way. The system supports multiple rates of pay for automatically calculating earnings. Hourly and salaried payrolls may be processed together or separately. The system stores earnings for straight time, overtime, special day, vacation pay, holiday, and sick pay for review at any time. Reports. The computer can deliver virtually any general ledger report you require, most of which can be selected for any time period as well as selected reports or profit centers. Some of the major reports include chart, accounts list, journals, general ledger source cross-reference, trial balance, and many more. That will be all for this chapter. Thank you for listening.